Welcome to another video and episode on my robotic arm with pneumatic hand, made of fischertechnik, based on the robo interface, which you can see right here with extension, pneumatic engine, and then of course the hand. Counterweight to compensate one here, two here, to compensate for the weight of the hand and the wrist with auto mechanics. Programmed on a Linux laptop using Python. Last time I finally made a step in towards stabilization of the arm with respect to transport. At times with transport to conventions it went wrong in the sense that it completely tilted out of it from its base right here, and so I had to find a way to stabilize it. So I came up with this idea, and now it can't go either way, and of course it can go backwards as well, so I had to make a similar situation on the other side. So I will show that. Next, I also need to test the whole thing again, because I recently also increased the speed of this winch from this motor, and I need to again to test the hand. So let me show you anything that goes on. Alright, so while this is the look at one side, then this is the look at the other side. So 3 pieces, and also mounted at the elbow, and mounted in a little bit different way, as you can see. So no in between pieces, just directly mounted with clamps. And on the screen you can also see the diagnosis, terminal, and the Python code. So with all that, let's start running it, and hopefully it will work out. So start the coder. No, I make a mistake, because now the thing is, when I turn it now, this will give a problem, so I have to disconnect it, which is also the first time that I actually do disconnect it. So this goes down, as goes this. On the other side I have to do exactly the same, and I can fold it into 3 pieces. And make it out of the way, so turning wise there will be no harm, and that's going to be a challenge, I think, but who knows, because I didn't test it with turning and everything. So now everything is down, let's do it. Alright, that motor was out of the motor was not correctly positioned. So let's test the fingers. And that is not going well. The compressor is making problems. Okay, the wiring issue. I've just bent these wires a little bit and it's sped up. So that may also be a problem. And it slows down again. So, do I have pressure? Not here, not here. Okay, let me stop the program and check for interface. Do I have signal? If this is the correct one, that is. Okay, this is the wrong interface, I think. Yep, I need to have the other one. Right, so now finger 1, that one, that 3 is refusing, 4 works and 5 works, 3 is refusing. I need to check on that. But electrically, all the fingers, almost all the fingers are nice. So let me check finger 3 and try again. Alright, wire fixed. So, and another wire fixed, by the way. So the wire for, let me show it like this. So the wire for finger 3 right here, this one is fixed, and that is this one, and the wire for this motor has been relayed. It went over the compressor and now it's under the compressor. Hopefully that works out. Another thing that I noticed, well, not for the first time, but is that the weight of the cables running through the arm is pulling these wires. So the fingers can't move freely again or anymore. And that is nice. And then I'm missing a finger top here, actually a thumb top right here. So maybe this is what I have, and this probably needs to be right here. Looks like it. So I need to pull the wires a little bit in shape. This one is not at all. So the little finger won't move. This will, this will, this will, and this one will. So there's one to fix. And then hopefully the compressor works at full speed and I can test the hand again. So let's do that. For now, problem solved. So let's run and see how things work out. Oh, right, I need to disable this one. Needing to build up pressure again. And this time the compressor motor runs nicely. The wrist motor has some problems, already known, but still not solved. Question is if it ever will be solved. Let's try the little finger. Not yet. I think I'm too soon. This motor is still releasing. If that is, no, it's still pulling. And now it's releasing. So this sensor worked and was sensed. Then the question is, does this still work? No, because the lower gears, and yes, it is very hard to see with this lighting, the lower gears are not in place, at least one of them. Now they work. But regarding the fact that it already stops, yeah, okay, it works, so that's a good thing. Goes up and down. And maybe I should put the lighting somewhere there, so that you can see, or I can of course locate it here. So there you can see whatever happens. Goes slowly, but it does work, and now it comes up again. So that's one thing. Good. This one works as well. But do I have enough pressure for the hand? That's the big question now. Finger 3. Yes, finger 2. Nothing happens. Finger 1. Nothing happens. 3 again. 4. Nothing happens. So, remarkably, the fixed finger number 3 worked and the rest doesn't, but that is no doubt because of lack of compression. And someone asked me if it was wise to replace the pneumatics by hydraulics. I'm not quite sure. For now, I haven't even automated in my hydraulics experiment, as you can see in the respective video. I'm still busy with that. This one is automated, because there's a compressor that I can, a compression engine that I can motorize and have motorized. So for now, the more or less failing pneumatics will be in place. And most of the things work. The wrist doesn't. The pitch engine works. Compression engine works. Only the wrist doesn't work. Not and the yaw doesn't work correctly. So still things to improve. All right. This is making some progress. Unfortunately, I noticed a little bit late that the lighting viewable on the webcam during screencast is not optimal. So the webcam shows it darker than it really is, but I'll have to do with the equipment that I have, so I'm sorry for that. In the meantime, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, and please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. By the way, you can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. You can also support me by becoming a patron and have access by patron only videos. More information under this video and in the next segment where all information is also shown. This is going to be continued. For now, have a nice day and bye bye.